If you're a manufacturing company, ask yourself these questions to determine if your business is achieving excellence. Does your business provide visibility to help you make informed decisions? Are your business processes integrated and standardized? Are they effective and efficient? Is your system and process working together to help you meet your vision for the future? Have you been able to evaluate your business strategies? Find a positive answer to all these questions. eResource ERP, operational excellence for your manufacturing business. Implement eResource ERP and be a business leader. eResource Xcel, a web and mobile-based ERP for your manufacturing business. Have an intelligent system with the world's only 100% zero-code ERP software, 100% configurable and customizable, designed for all types of discrete, process, intelligent integration of modules, data security, user-friendliness, integrated dashboard and multi-dimensional reporting, robotic process automation, the business intelligence reporting tool, mobile apps for Android and iOS, WhatsApp integration, adaptability and scalability, integrated web and mobile-based ERP solution for your business comprising shop floor and production management, batch manufacturing practice, production and material planning, inventory control and material management, purchasing and supply chain management, sales and order management, quality control and quality management, bill of material management, engineering management, preventive maintenance management, human resources, customer relationship management, business intelligence tool, eResource ERP, the #1 ERP solution for your manufacturing business. www.eresourceerp.com.
eResource.